Hey there maths enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel where we make maths fun and easy to understand. Today we're diving deep into the world of numbers, from the numbers that you count with to the complex and imaginary numbers, so we're covering it all. So buckle up and let's get started. Let's begin with the most familiar set of numbers, natural numbers. These are the numbers that we use for counting, 1, 2, 3, and so on. They're sometimes called counting numbers, and they don't include 0 or any negative numbers. Simple and straightforward, right? Now, let's expand our view to include integers. Integers are like natural numbers, but they also include 0 and the negative counterparts of natural numbers. So we have -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Just think of them as the whole numbers, both positive and negative. Next, we move on to the rational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers which can be expressed as a fraction of two integers, where the denominator is not 0. So, 1/2, -3/4, and even whole numbers like 5, which can be written as 5/1, are all rational numbers. If you can write it as a simple fraction, it's rational. Now we dive into the real numbers. Real numbers include all the rational numbers and also the irrational numbers. Irrational numbers can't be expressed as a simple fraction. Their decimal form is non-repeating and non-terminating. Examples include the square root of 2 and pi. So real numbers cover everything on the number line. Here's where things get a little bit more interesting. Imaginary numbers and complex numbers. Imaginary numbers arise when we take the square root of a negative number, which isn't possible in the set of real numbers. The basic imaginary unit is denoted as I, where I squared equals -1. Complex numbers are combinations of real and imaginary numbers. They are in the form a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers. A is the real part, and bi is the imaginary part. These numbers open up a whole new dimension of mathematics, allowing for more nuanced and powerful solutions to equations. So let's recap. We started with natural numbers, expanded to integers with 0 and negative numbers, then to rational numbers, to include numbers in between that can be expressed as fractions, and from there to real numbers, which include irrational numbers which cannot be expressed as fractions. And finally, we combined them to understand complex numbers. Each type of number builds on the last, creating a rich and interconnected world in mathematics. And that brings us to the end of our amazing journey through the types of numbers today. Remember, each type of number has its unique properties and applications. Understanding them helps us to unlock new areas of maths and science. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more maths adventures. See you next time.